Hi everybody, for this week's video I will cast on the machine, one in the front, one in the back for the first row, starting by the black needle to make a watermelon keychain. Easy for beginners, so don't be worried. If you watch this video you will be able to make it. So during the video, if you're new in my channel, you will see that I put numbers. So the numbers that you see right now is 9. That means the number of rows that you need to make the pattern. So put that in your notebook. There. So when you reach 9, you cut the yarn, open the yarn feeder, put the tail in the middle, and bring your white yarn. For the white, I will use 1 row. That's why you see a 1 on the screen. Now it's time to do a double knot to secure your work. The yarn I use is Bernat Premium, and the green was Evergreen or Spring Green. Oof. So I need 1 row. So I will finish here. Cut the yarn again, open the yarn feeder, and bring my red. For the red, it's from Bernat Premium, but I don't have the number or the right name, so sorry for that. So I crank it. I will crank it just a little bit more, just so you'll be able to see it with the camera. So like this, and I will do the double knot just like I did with the white and green just earlier. So for the red, you see the number 5 on the screen, so that means you need 5 rows of red. So I will crank for 5 rows. That's a quick pattern. If you want that to a farmer's market, that's great. So it's on the screen. It's retirer in French, mean cast off. So open the yarn feeder. Make sure that you crank for a 360 to release all the hook, not the hook, the stitch from the hook of the machine. When it's done, you bring there, you choose this one, always the one next to the tail of yarn that is attached to your project. And with the wool needle, you will go with the tip of it, go in the middle of the teeth, the 2 little teeth, keep your stitch from falling. So you go in between them, and grab all of it to prevent drop stitch. This is a small project, so it's a quick one too. If you're like me and like to do some quick little project, it's easy to give for the key for the house for your little kids to put that in their backpack, or to give that to a friend, or to sell it at farmer's market. So time to pull to close the tube. So stretch and attach those knots if they need to be tight. And usually when the tail are tall like that, I cut it, but this time we won't see it. It will be inside the project, so I don't bother with that. So I will pull each side like that, and with again my wool needle, I will go and close it securely like this. I like those easy needle, so I will grab some stitches like that, go around it, and do a secure knot, tight and secure, to keep the project together. So I did the double knot, tight, second one, and that's it for this side. So I will do the same thing on the red side. Go and grab all the stitches like that, go around it there. But sometimes when you take all the stitches, you end up with a bigger hole in the middle. So if you could skip one and grab one, it's better. Usually I grab stitch, skip one and grab one. So time to attach it. One knot. You could see there's a little hole, but I will fix that. I go around it after. So stretch it to create like a circle, flat circle like this. So I will go and pick in the middle to fix a little hole that I don't like. I go one stitch, skip one, and we'll fix the problem that I don't like. Better to fix it right now than wait too long and it's not possible. So now I stretch it again and I will pick in the middle to bring it to the other side in the middle of the green. So if we're still with me right now, can you put a happy face on the YouTube comment? Get me an idea how long you watch my video. So you attach it with a double knot. Right now you have to cut the red and then it's time to fold it just like this. There. Grab full stitch like a full V. If you're not a knitter, a V means a stitch. So I grab two on the side and two on the other side. I don't go too tight because I will pull after, just like when I do a mattress stitch. We'll do the same result at the end. So I will go like this, grab all the stitches I need. I always stay on the same border, same row. Keep going. There. This is a quick video because to make it took me like 15 minutes start to finish, but on video sometimes it's longer because I have to share step by step and go very slowly, but 15 minutes well used. Almost finished, and I will pull a little bit on my work, not too much, just a little bit. See, work like the mattress stitch. So I stretch it after. There, look great. So now I will attach it to secure. When you secure it, you will just go and hide it in the green and cut the excess. There's a little glitch here because the seed already on the pattern. Sorry for that. I will fix that after. So now with your hook, you will need a hook 4mm, and you will have to chain 15 stitch, a single crochet one. Just go like this. If you don't know how to crochet or not comfortable to do a chain, you could use like a thicker yarn to do that part, or maybe use a ring, like a real ring for keychain. But me, I have some at home, but I have no clue where I put them. And when I don't need them, I see them all the time. But tonight I decided to do it like this. So I don't have to change anything and just go with my hook and do my chain of 15 stitch. So time to close it, cut the yarn, and just finish. Pull and attach those two tails together. When it's done, just go with the wool needle again and hide those yarn inside of your project. Just like this. Almost finished. But I will share with you how I did the seed. No worry. because I didn't go through the 2-layer. I just did one at a time. So hide the green in the green, cut the excess. There. So look like this. It's kind of cute. I like it. So for the seed, I just use my wool needle and choose one row and pick and then grab like 2 stitch. That's it in the same row. And then I go on the side, down and go up. And go on the side, down and go up. You will see the column. I will pick in there and go through it to go the other side. As you could see, I just did 1 layer at a time. So that way, I'm sure it's not the wrong way. There, and go up and down, and I will go through it to join the starting point where I pick the first time. So I will attach it, those 2 tails together, tight, not too tight. You don't want to change the shape of your watermelon. And with the tip of my wool needle, I will fix the seed the way I want it to be. There. And when I'm happy with it, I just go and go the other side, cut the yarn, and hide it. And then I will share how I attach it on the key. Oops. There, and just pull. Oops. It went in the middle of the yarn. And cut it. Stretch it a little bit, and it disappears. And look like this. So I will clean up a little bit my table and grab a key. Cleanup is done. Go through the hole, go up, cover it, and voila, you got your keychains done. Quick and easy, watermelon. Ciao, ciao. See you next week for a new video. Never give up.